Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Kid Gardener, and today's video is on I used this boot tray that I got for $4 from Walmart. It's a big tray, and it's sitting on a wire rack shelf. Can't really show it very well, but sitting on a wire rack shelf, and with all my gardening stuff. There's some seeds I'm trying to save from my zinnias and my other bag of seeds. But what I want to talk about is I was growing in soil inside in the springtime, and it stunk the whole house up. And it did draw some fungus gnats. I didn't enjoy that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my seeds in my sprout hydroponically, and then I'm going to move them outside into this guy here. I just got it on sale a couple days ago. It's a raised bed, and it has a plastic clear dome on the top, so it'll have that greenhouse effect. And in the spring, I'm going to put all my seed starts in this. And I got it really cheap. I got it for well, it was under $30 plus shipping. No, $30 with shipping. So, yeah, that was a really good deal. Yeah. So there you have it. It's decent size. So I'm kind of excited. I thought I'd just do a quick showing of it, and I'm going to use it in the springtime. One neat thing I discovered, I didn't even realize until my wife looked through the thing here, is it came with packets of seeds. It's pretty cool. There's 1, 2, 6 packets of seeds here. That's pretty cool. There's like pepper seeds, there's cilantro, cucumber, tomato, basil. So yeah, that's a little extra bonus I discovered in this unit. That's pretty cool. All right, pretty excited. But we'll see you in the spring. Alrighty, any comments, questions, leave in the comment section, like, subscribe. Have a great day.